Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm sharing 5 complete OMAD meal plans. That's 1 meal a day, each designed to hit about 2,000 calories while staying strict carnivore, budget-friendly, and delicious. We're making 5 different 3-course meals, each featuring a different protein star: ground beef, salmon, chicken drumsticks, pork shoulder, and pork chops. I'll walk you through the ingredients, prep, cooking instructions, and even the average cost per course and per meal so you know exactly what you're getting. Let's dive in. Meal 1 is a ground beef feast. To start, we're having beef bone broth with a little shredded beef added in. I like to simmer about 2 cups of beef bone broth and then toss in 3 ounces of cooked shredded beef for extra flavor and protein. I season it lightly with salt and grated Parmesan. This appetizer costs about $2.50.
By the way, if you're finding this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to help me continue creating more content like this for you.
For the main course, we brown 1 pound of ground beef in a skillet. Once it's cooked, I drain the excess fat and stir in 3 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese, so it melts right in. I season it with a little salt to taste. The average cost for this main dish is around $6. For dessert, I like to make an egg custard. I whisk together 2 eggs, half a cup of heavy cream, and 1 teaspoon of glycine, then bake it in a water bath at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes until it's set. I chill it before serving. This dessert costs about $1.50. Altogether, this ground beef meal delivers about 1,970 calories, 215 grams of fat, and 157 grams of protein for an average cost of about $10. Meal 2 is Salmon Delight. For the starter of this meal, we're making salmon skin crisps. I take the skin off a salmon fillet, place it on parchment paper, sprinkle it with a little salt, and bake it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 191 Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes, flipping halfway through until it's nice and crispy. This starter costs about $1.50. The main course is pan-seared salmon with butter. I pan-sear 10 ounces of salmon fillet in 2 tablespoons of butter until it's golden and cooked through. I like to add a little salt for seasoning. This main course costs around $8. For dessert, we're doing a whipped frozen cottage cheese ice cream. I blend 1 cup of cottage cheese with 2 tablespoons of heavy cream and 2 teaspoons of glycine, then freeze it until firm. Before serving, I whip it again for a creamy ice cream-like texture. This dessert costs about $2. Altogether, this Salmon Delight hits roughly 2,000 calories for an average cost of $11.50. That brings us to meal number 3, Chicken Drumstick Comfort. For the starter, I make crispy chicken skin chips. I peel the skin from 2 drumsticks, cut them into 2 by 2 inch squares, place them on a parchment paper-lined baking tray, and bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or about 204 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes or until golden brown. On average, it costs about $1. For the main course, I roast 6 chicken drumsticks at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or about 204 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes, brushing them with 2 tablespoons of melted butter halfway through. The cost for this main dish is roughly $7. For dessert, I like a glycine-sweetened panna cotta. I warm half a cup of heavy cream, dissolve half a teaspoon of beef gelatin and 1 teaspoon of glycine, then chill until set. The average cost is about $1.50. Altogether, this chicken drumstick meal provides around 2,000 calories for an average cost of $9.50. Meal 4 is Pork Shoulder Indulgence. To start this meal, I make pork cracklings by frying 3 ounces of small cubes of pork fat until golden and crunchy. This starter costs about $1.50. For the main course, I slow roast 12 ounces of pork shoulder at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 3 hours until tender. Then top it with 2 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese. This main course costs about $6.50. For dessert, I make a glycine-sweetened eggnog cream by whisking 2 egg yolks with half a cup of heavy cream, gently heating, then stirring in 1 teaspoon of glycine before chilling. This dessert costs about $1.50. Altogether, this pork shoulder meal delivers around 2,000 calories for an average cost of $9.50. And last but not least is Meal 5, Pork Chop Classic. For the starter, I crush 1 ounce of pork rinds and mix them with 2 tablespoons of sour cream for dipping. This starter costs about $1.50. For the main course, I pan-sear 2 8-ounce pork chops in 2 tablespoons of butter until golden and cooked through. This dish costs roughly $7. For dessert, I whip 3 ounces of cream cheese with a 1/4 cup of heavy cream and 1 teaspoon of glycine, then chill before serving. This mousse costs around $1.50. Altogether, this pork chop meal gives about 2,000 calories for an average cost of $10. And because I love to give you extra value, let's add a bonus 6th OMAD meal, featuring one of the most budget-friendly carnivore staples out there, eggs. We'll start with the appetizer. How about deviled eggs made the carnivore way? Just take 6 hard-boiled eggs, scoop out the yolks, mash them with 2 tablespoons of lard mayonnaise, and season lightly with salt. Then pipe or spoon the filling back in. These are creamy, salty, and satisfying, and they kick off the meal with around 500 calories, 45 grams of fat, and 24 grams of protein. The cost? About $2. Now for the main course, we're making cheesy scrambled eggs with bacon. Crack 8 large eggs into a bowl, whisk with 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, and scramble them slowly in butter over medium-low heat. As they start to set, fold in 3 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese and 6 slices of crispy bacon crumbled on top. This fluffy, cheesy, bacon-loaded scramble delivers about 1,200 calories, 92 grams of fat, and 82 grams of protein. Total cost? Roughly $3.50. And of course, we need dessert. Let's keep it simple with a baked egg custard sweetened with glycine. Blend together 3 eggs, 1 cup of heavy cream, and 1 tablespoon of glycine until smooth. Pour into a ramekin, set it in a water bath, and bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 minutes until it sets like pudding. This rich, creamy custard comes in at about 300 calories, 30 grams of fat, and 7 grams of protein. The cost? About $1.50. So when you add it all up, this egg-based OMAD gives you around 2,000 calories, 167 grams of fat, and 113 grams of protein for just about $7 total. Simple, hearty, and incredibly budget-friendly. That wraps up the bonus 6th meal, the egg feast. With eggs, you get amazing nutrition, plenty of variety, and you don't break the bank. So there you have it. 6 full carnivore-compliant OMAD meals, each hitting around 2,000 calories, each budget-friendly, and all made with simple whole animal foods. Not only are these meals tasty, but they also prove that eating carnivore doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Which of these meals would you try first? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more carnivore meal plans and recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.